everybody, it's Alan, shortbaldandbearded.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a keto-friendly peanut butter cheesecake filling. It's very simple. It's just a few ingredients. It goes great with the pie crust recipe that I have posted already. Just a few very simple ingredients for this. You're going to need half a cup of Splenda, a cup of natural peanut butter. Now, on your peanut butter, you got to really watch your labels. A lot of them have a lot of added sugar. Just because it says natural doesn't mean that it's low carb. So you want to shoot for 2 to 3 grams of sugar per serving, and you want to have an equal number of fiber in there. That makes it a lot better for you, not nearly as detrimental with your carb count. You need 2 blocks of cream cheese, a splash of vanilla, and a cup of heavy whipping cream. That's pretty much all you're going to need for this. You're just going to throw it all into the food processor and whip it up, and then you're going to add it to your pie shell. Once you've made your pie shell, it's cooled, you add your filling, let it set up. Wonderful cheesecake. Okay, so here's our peanut butter pie filling. We have all of our ingredients in here. So now we're just going to whip it up into a nice creamy consistency. And it doesn't take very long at all. Okay, so we should be in pretty good shape now with our filling. It's ready to go into our pie shell. And if you're confused about the pie shell, don't know what I'm talking about, watch my other video. And we're just going to take this and put this into our pie shell. This smells so good. Wow. If you're like me, you love peanut butter to start with. If you don't like peanut butter, you probably wouldn't be watching the recipe on how to make a peanut butter cheesecake. But, I don't know. Maybe you're a masochist or something, I don't know. Takes all kinds. This is the internet, by the way. Obviously, you don't want to serve this to anybody with a nut allergy. Unless you really want to, well, just don't, okay? It's just a bad idea. No such thing as a practical joke that can kill somebody, okay? It's not funny. Now, once this sets up, you can always whip up some heavy whipping cream with a little bit of Splenda or other sweetener in it. Top it with some whipped cream. Just adds a little bit extra yumminess to this. It's a great, rich dessert. This is kind of what you give it a few peaks here and there to make it nice and pretty. Pretty. And then you're just going to take it and stick it in the fridge or the freezer and let it set up. And once it firms up, you're good to go. So, once again, low-carb peanut butter cheesecake. Tasty stuff. Pretty easy. 10 minutes processing time, prep time, handful of ingredients. And it'll really hit the spot. There's a lot of great fat in this between the cream cheese and then the butter and the crust. The peanut butter has some great fat in there too. Very little sugar, very few carbs, relatively speaking, to a dessert. Once again, thanks for watching. Next time.